Oh, there's Jack Sparrow. Heading down real quick to near Red's Diner. Not gonna go in there, but I want to go to a place next to it. Nice little tea place. And this place. It's at the Merchants Diehl Marcus Company Exotic Cargo Building. So they got some fine teas in here. Let's go check it out real quick. Real pretty building. Little tea barrels. Yeah, why don't you open the door? Oh, there's Jack Sparrow. It's so awesome. Alright, we got our tea, right, Pooks? Alright. Alright, so we got our tea here. The Cottage Comfort Wellness Blend. Smells absolutely delicious. So me and Mia, we're going to try it when we get home later, right?
Yeah, it smells like lemon.
Smells lemony and orangey, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, we can't wait to try it. Off we go.